Ray and Lourdes, the fate of the SAFETY Act, the provision under it set to end cash bail in Illinois beginning January 1st, is now in the hands of a judge. Today, a crucial test for the controversial SAFETY Act. Kankakee County Circuit Court Judge Thomas Cunnington heard oral arguments over claims brought in 64 suits, now consolidated into one lawsuit. The plaintiffs, prosecutors and sheriffs across Illinois. The defendants, Governor Pritzker, Attorney General Kwame Raoul, House Speaker Emanuel Chris Welch, and Senate President Don Harmon.
We seek an order from Your Honor declaring this law unconstitutional.
The hearing comes just 11 days before cash bail is eliminated in Illinois, the centerpiece of the SAFETY Act. The lawsuit alleges the landmark legislation violates the separation of powers and improperly amends the state constitution.
How in the world did we end up here? How did we go from the most noble of goals to the most unconstitutional of outcomes?
The prosecutors and sheriffs also say that when the Democratic-controlled legislature passed the law in 2021, they did not follow their rules requiring bills to be read on 3 different days.
I would implore this court, do not co-sign the fraud committed by the Senate President Harmon and Speaker Welch in affirming 3 readings over 3 days when Your Honor knows and the record clearly shows that did not occur.
Lawyers for state officials counter the sweeping criminal justice reform overhaul is legal and lawmakers followed the Illinois Constitution.
This is clearly a policy disagreement at its core. It is a policy disagreement brought by states' attorneys and sheriffs who disagree with the policy that the people have enacted through their legislatures. If they have standing in this case, then that means that they will have standing in every case in which the legislature makes some sort of change to criminal law or criminal procedure.
Judge Cunnington is expected to make his decision by next Wednesday. In other words, that would come before the elimination of cash bail takes effect on January 1st. This is a big one.